front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to find and open Themes app. Now select Featured, Categories or Discover at the bottom to find a perfect theme for you. When you find it, click on it. Then you can either buy it or hit free download at the bottom. Then choose Customize on the left if you, for example, don't want to change your icons. And after adjusting all of those options, hit Apply or choose Apply on the right or right away. Then hit Discard or Keep in Keep Magazine Unlock pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you need to access the same Themes app again. This time select Me at the bottom right corner and click on one of your preset themes. Choose Apply, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!